Hello, everyone. Today we are going to check the Forest mobile app, which is good for focus and productivity. Once the app is installed, simply tap on the icon to open it. Once the app opens, you will see two options on the screen: Start a new journey or Log in. Since we are new users, we will tap on Start Journey to continue. Next, the app will guide you with simple instructions to plant your first seed. You need to swipe down on the screen, and as you can see, the seed will be planted and it will grow into a tree. Tap on Continue, and then keep tapping on Next as the app introduces a few basic steps. Once all steps are completed, finally tap on Start Now. Next, you will be asked to either log in or sign up. You can choose any option you prefer. For this demonstration, we will continue with the email option. Enter your email address and move to the next step. Now you need to provide your details such as your full name, a strong password, and your date of birth. Make sure to checkmark the terms and privacy policy and then tap on Continue. Next, the app will ask you to confirm your email address. Check the code sent to your email, enter it here, and tap on Sign Up. After that, the app will ask you to enable notifications so it can remind you to stay focused. You can tap on Remind Me to proceed. Then you will see an option to try the premium plan free for 7 days. For now, we will skip this by selecting the Skip option. And there you go. You will land on the home screen of the app. Here on the home screen, you will see a timer along with a plant in the center. By default, it is set to 25 minutes. When you tap on Plant, the timer will start, and during this time, you need to stay focused on your study. If you stay focused for the full 25 minutes, your tree will grow successfully, and you will receive a notification once your session is complete. Next, from the top right side, tap on the 3 lines, and a sidebar will appear on the screen. Here, you will see multiple options. If you explore the forest section, you can track your daily progress. From the top, open the overview menu, and here you can select tags based on your activity. For example, if you completed a 25-minute study session, you can select and confirm it. Your progress will be displayed in the form of a growing forest. Now, open the side menu again, and this time go to Starter Challenges. Here, you will find different challenges designed to help you stay consistent and improve your focus by completing specific goals. Next in this menu is the Time Guard feature. This helps you understand how much time you spend scrolling on your device. It will ask you a few questions, and based on your answers, you can set limits for your screen time. It will also remind you when you have spent too much time scrolling and encourage you to focus again. Now go back and open Mindful Space. This section is designed to help you relax and find inner calm, giving you a peaceful break whenever needed. Once again, open the side menu and this time go to the timeline. Here you can see your daily activity and track your progress over time. You will also find sections like Tags and Friends, where you can manage your activity tags and connect with your friends. In the Achievements section, you can view your daily progress, badges, and rewards that you have earned by completing your focus sessions. Next, open the store where you can explore different plant designs and templates. Some items are available in the Exclusive section, while others can be purchased using coins in the Classic section. You can also explore the Sound tab to help you focus better and relax your mind. Additionally, you can check options like Real Forest, News, and Settings for more features. At the top right corner, if you tap on the coin icon, you will see options to join the premium plan, which allows you to earn more coins and unlock additional features. So this was a complete and simple overview of the Forest Focus for Productivity app.